What would happen if Japan allied with China and began attacking other countries? First, Japan would rebuild its own military forces and expel all U.S. military bases from its territory. Then, alongside the Chinese military, Japan would launch a large-scale attack on South Korea. The United States would attempt to send forces for support, but its entire fleet would be ambushed and intercepted by the Japanese Navy. Isolated and cut off from outside aid, South Korea would have no choice but to surrender and fall under the control of the Japan-China alliance. Next, the alliance would surround Taiwan. With the U.S. still unable to intervene, Taiwan would quickly fall into Chinese hands. However, Japan wouldn't stop there. Seeking to restore its former empire, Japan would launch an attack on North Korea. China, now a committed ally, would fully support this move. Facing pressure from both sides, North Korea would resist fiercely, but would ultimately be overwhelmed. Now, with much of the Pacific under their control, Japan and China would begin preparing for their next major objective, the takeover of all Southeast Asia.